Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Huckberry X Toyota Tacoma t-shirts. So there's 3 t-shirts inside. This is called the emergency t-shirts pack. It's pretty cool. It's a premium cotton blend of 3 t-shirts and quickly rectifies road rash ruptures, taco sauce spillage, and mystery musk. Here's a tag. So it's a collaboration between Huckberry and Toyota Tacoma. And I think it's a really cool collaboration between Toyota and Huckberry. So let's open it up, get into it. T-shirts. Wow. Wow. So check out the tag. Got Huckberry logo, Toyota logo, size medium. These are pretty lightweight. I like that it's lightweight. Feels breathable. Lightweight, but it feels solid. It feels very sturdy. Got the Huckberry logo here, subtle on the front left. Yeah, nothing else on the back. It's just Huckberry logo here. So we got it in white. Then the 3-pack has this gray color. Similar patch here. Yeah, it's pretty lightweight. It's not like as thick as their heavyweight shirts. All right, then we got a final third one in black. Huckberry Toyota, size medium, and this nice subtle patching here. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Really liking this Huckberry and Toyota Tacoma collaboration. Really cool. Cool. All right, take care, everyone. Catch you for the next unboxing video. I got more Huckberry X Tacoma stuff to unbox coming up if you're interested. All right, take care, y'all. Later.